Hello, my name is Rich Howard, owner of Architectural Builders Supply. This video is to bring you a closer look at the Kawneer. This is their part number 968820. It's called an Easy Core framing clip. Now, admittedly, we don't know much about their clips used in their aluminum storefront, their curtain wall, things of that nature. So this video is really going to serve primarily as a visual evidence, because we are expecting that you, as a glass house, an integrator, an installer, likely know more about this than we do. So this video is going to show you some dimensional properties, and then we'll move to what additional resources that I do have. So just some basic dimensional properties. Overall length of this clip is 1.115, 1.115, so basically 1 1/8 length. The thickness of the clip, 0.496. The height back here with these two shoulders, .475. The height of the tip out here, and it doesn't appear to actually be quite flat, but looks like it's .343. Overall height with this fin, I suppose, 0.713. Let's switch to the screen view where I can show you what additional information we have, and we'll wrap it up. If you've not hit subscribe yet, we would very much appreciate if you did, and hopefully you're enjoying this video. Now, let's get back to it. All right, here's the item that we are looking at. Now, not too much to see there, so let's take a look at some photographs that we have. And yeah, what we're seeing here is a pretty pixelated view of the item. Let's take a look at the additional photographs that we have. Profile section, I suppose. Some additional photos that we have as well. That's the end, showing the front of it here. The top view of the item. That's the back end, showing those two shoulders back here as if we're looking at it from this direction. A bottom view, I guess, or a side view. Possibly the best profile view that we're going to have here. Okay. Now, in terms of additional resources, not much is happening here. So, below this video is a link to the manufacturer's page. Let's copy this part number and click on the manufacturer's page link, then open up, well, by the time you're seeing this, likely the most current service parts catalog. And from here, you can do a Control F or a find function for 968820, and you'll see that it's not in here. And when I search for the word clip, it comes up multiple times, obviously. But what they have here in the service catalog are 3 structural glazing clips, but none of them are this part number. The point of this is if you have an item that you can't identify, you know it's Kawneer because the storefront says Kawneer on it, and you don't find it in the catalog, take pictures and send it to us, because that's exactly how we were able to identify this 968820, by sending the manufacturer photos for them to identify it. Okay, let's wrap up this video on camera. If you've not hit subscribe yet, we would very much appreciate if you did, and hopefully you're enjoying this video. Now, let's get back to it. So if you have anything that you're looking for Kawneer related and you can't locate it, by all means reach out to us. Not only is that the role of the distributor, but It's basically enjoyable working with Kawneer because they respond. They will answer the questions, they will tell you as much as they can possibly tell you about the item, and they are even able to provide me with detailed drawings of material. I've had customers send me something like this, but this is, I think, unique. There might be 2 or 3 of them that are almost the same, and they've been able to send me drawings of items so that we could really be sure of which one was needed. So to them for that, I say thank you. They're extremely helpful, and we'll chase the information down. Any questions on the Kawneer 968820 Easy Core framing clip or any other Kawneer product, please feel free to reach out to us. And thank you. Thank you for watching, and if you've enjoyed this video, please click thumbs up, please subscribe, and maybe even send the video to someone that you know. Thank you.